Project 2025 is a radical blueprint designed to reshape the federal government. One of its primary goals? Shrinking the federal workforce, eliminating career civil servants, and replacing them with political appointees. But what does this mean for civil rights enforcement in Black communities? Let's take a closer look. Agencies like the EEOC and the Office for Civil Rights, OCR, play a critical role in protecting Americans, particularly marginalized communities, from discrimination. In 2023 alone, the OCR handled over 19,000 discrimination complaints, many of which were related to race. Project 2025 includes a plan known as Schedule F. This proposal would reclassify tens of thousands of federal workers, removing them from civil service protections and placing them under the control of political appointees. Essentially, this would allow a president to fire career officials and replace them with loyalists, dramatically reducing the independence of federal agencies. If the EEOC and other civil rights agencies are led by political appointees instead of impartial civil servants, their ability to enforce protections will be significantly weakened. Project 2025 proposes to shift the focus of these agencies, undermining the protections they provide for workers experiencing racial discrimination. The shrinking of the federal workforce through reforms like Schedule F isn't just about cutting jobs. It's about changing the mission of these agencies, redirecting them away from protecting civil rights and towards politically motivated goals. Project 2025 presents serious challenges, but it's not too late to act. Understanding these proposed changes and raising awareness about their potential impact is the first step. Communities can organize, advocate, and take legal action to protect the hard-won gains of the civil rights movement. While Project 2025 threatens the foundations of civil rights protections, the fight to protect those rights continues. By staying informed and taking action, we can ensure that the progress made over the past 50 years isn't undone. By liking this video, you help spread the word about the impact of Project 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on this important issue.